Hello guys and welcome to this week's tech tip video. Now we're going to be talking about brakes today because they are often overlooked on vehicles. A lot of these cars these days have so much more power and the stopping force is going to heat up those brakes and cause them to fade over time. Now this is particularly important on four-wheel drives as well when you're adding weight, extra accessories to go camping and four-wheel driving. Bendix have just brought out their new ceramic Ultimate Plus brake pads. Now these are designed to improve the stopping distance and the brake feel under your pedal. Now these pair perfectly with the Bendix Ultimate Brake rotors. This kit is recommended to be installed by a professional, but if you are an experienced mechanic, it is easy to do yourself as well. All right, there we go. We've done some pretty hard braking through some windy tracks and that. Now these brakes, definitely an improvement over what's in there. And another thing to note is the amount of dust. It's really minimal. We've done some pretty hard braking today and it's lower dust, lower noise and much better braking capability. So guys, make sure to remember to consider your brakes when you're doing any modifications to the power, the weight, performance of your car, because safety is paramount and brakes are a real cheap insurance to make sure that you don't have any issues out on the road. So make sure to check out the Bendix Ultimate Plus brake pads and the rotor kits are available at all good retailers. And don't forget, support the businesses that support Built Not Bought.